also like be only one member. You can select the multiple members also. Let's say you
Okay.
want to see only 3 members chatting on this channel, and also put the specific date range, right?
Yes.
So Pranto sir, I have a question. Rather than creating new user story, do you think like in this user story we can create task, or that should be different user story?
No, no, like if, for the user stories, you will have to create the different user stories. Like the task will, like if you want to enhance or if you want to add something new, so if you see that you can adjust with this user story, then you just adjust here.
Okay.
And if you need to break down with another user story, then break down that with another user story. But the task is different. Task is like to complete this or to fulfill this user story, what you need to do. Okay,
So
what you need to do, or you need to specify all those tasks into the
so
yeah,
tasks are especially for the development team and QA team, right?
yeah, like all the team members who will work on these user stories.
Not
Um,
for the PO.
No, PO will only like review the reviewing part. Like there will be another task on this user story, that the review. So the
Okay.
review, like you will review the like the development things. I mean, after developing the function, you can review that. Also, after testing from the tester side, you can also review that, like if it is going, everything is going smoothly or not. So
Mhm.
there could be a specific task for you also, if you
Okay.
want to like design like that.
Mr. Pranto, um, Mr. Ahmed was telling us that tasks are action items and different team members will create their own task. But my question is, as POs, do we have to create any task for someone else in the team or ourselves? Are there any responsibilities from our side?
Okay. So, oh, sorry, what, can I repeat again? I actually couldn't listen properly.
Yeah, Mr. Ahmed was telling us this morning that tasks are created by, say, QA testers and engineers, what they will do, perform on based on the user story, action items. And as product owners, do we have to create any kind of task for us or for others?
So yeah, I think I already mentioned this. Like it depends on project to project. In some project, PO creates also the task and assign the members. On some project, actually, the members who will work on this user list, they create their own task, and they estimate their things, and they just complete the task.
Oh, I understand. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, then okay, let me familiar with you some a new application. That one is uh, okay, so this is the application. So we are going to actually write down the user histories on this application also. So this is the TS4E finance application. So here it is the application, the TS4E finance. This is the home page. So here we can see that there is the login button. So if you go to the login button, and this is the login form. So if you registered here, then you can just simply put the email and password. If you
Yes.
didn't register, then you have to, first of all, you have to create the account here. Okay. So
Yes.
to create the account, then you have to put the first name, last name, email, and password. Then just simply click on the create account. Then it will allow you to register the account. Okay.
So
So
before
after
you create an account, you have to be a member of on TS for you, right?
No, like you have to, like, yeah, this is the no, this is the application we are thinking to. We will develop this application, then we will sell this application
Okay.
to the companies, to different organizations who actually wants to manage their account system and they want to actually like manage all the
Yes,
accounting
I
things, the
understand. TS4
financial things.
wants to be
Yeah.
the third party provider for this software.
Like
Yes.
ADP, right, Kazi sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, like this, and just you can put the first name, last name, and email password. So after registration, the information, then just simply log in with that information. So let's say I have already the account, so I'm just going to log in here. So after login here, then just simply go to here
Pranto
and
sir,
then
can
go
you
to the
please enlarge the window a little bit?
okay. Then just is it okay now?
Yes.
Yes, better. Thank you.
Okay. So after logged in, here you can see that you can, if you go to the hover here, then you can go to the dashboard. Okay. So after going to the dashboard, and here actually you can see that you have different like the account system here. So let's say you may have multiple account system here. I mean, let's say one you may have multiple organization. Okay. So you can keep those separately. So let's say here we have like two organization. One is the LLC, TS4 LLC, and another one is the TS4 Limited. Okay. So in the TS4 LLC, you can see like you can add the voucher, and in the add the voucher you can create the voucher. So the when you will create the voucher you will create whenever you want to like spend something, or you want to in the account terms, like for receiving money or spending money, you have to actually put those into the voucher. Okay. So here you can actually select that voucher type. Are you receiving this, or you are paying this money, or is journal, or this is the contra. Okay. So the journal and contra, these are actually also another like terms of the accountings. Like you have to actually know little bit the account things of the journal and the contra. Okay, let's go with the only the receipt and the payment for now. So in the receipt here, you can actually select that if it is the bank cash, you can select the bank cash, or if you just select, like you can add multiple bank or cash share. Okay. So as I said, this is not the what it calls fully like developed yet. It's very like immature version yet. So just it has some like the forms and some other like the what it calls like the UI's part. So what we have to do, we will have to write down the user stories of the existing functionalities. Then we will have to actually enhance with a lot of functionalities, because as this application is still immature, so we can compare with other financial applications, and then we can bring those features or bring those user stories, those functions information to in this application. Okay. So then our developer can actually work on that and add those functionalities into here. Okay. So let's say receipt, let me execute this. So then after that, let's select the date. Let's say it's today. Then this is the ledger account. Ledger means every like a voucher or every receipt or payment, you will have a specific ledger. Let's say you spend money on the like official like the furnitures. Okay. So there will be a ledger for the official cost, something like this. So whatever the cost you will spend on the like in your office, you will actually add all those expenses into that is laser, I mean the official cost, something like this. So that means you will have you will have so many lasers in your list, and you will based on your type, based on your like the what it calls transaction, you will actually select that specific laser. Okay. This is also a terms of the accountings. This is how we actually count like every like single penny. Okay. Like
Expenditure, whatever
yep.
happen in different
Yep,
areas, right?
everything,
Yeah.
everything like that, so that it will help you that at the end of the year you can actually specify that how many amount you have received from this area, how many amount you have spent on this area. You can actually break down